In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subaccounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to keep your accounts neatly organized for clearer, more useful reports. First, log into QuickBooks Online in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. This is your master list of every account you track: bank accounts, income, expenses, and more. At the top right, click New to create a new account. A form will open, and this is where we'll define your subaccount. Start with account name. Choose a clear, specific name that makes sense to you and anyone else who reads your reports. For example, if you're breaking down expenses, you might name it something like Office Supplies, Printing, to show how it fits under a broader category. Account number is optional. If your company uses account numbers for structure or reporting, enter the number here. If not, you can leave it blank. Next, pick the account type. This is the high-level category, such as income, expenses, or bank. It tells QuickBooks where the account belongs in your financial statements, so choose carefully. After that, select the detail type. This is a more specific label within the account type. It helps QuickBooks map the account correctly behind the scenes and can influence how transactions show up in reports. If you're not sure which detail type fits best, pick the one that most closely matches the activity for this subaccount. Now, make this a subaccount by checking the box labeled Make this a subaccount. When you do, a parent account dropdown will appear. Choose the main account you want this to roll up under. For example, if this is a specific type of expense, select the broader expense account as the parent. Structuring it this way keeps your chart of accounts tidy and allows totals to roll up to the parent while still giving you detailed breakdowns. In the description field, you can add an optional note to clarify the purpose of the subaccount. This is helpful for team members or for future you, so everyone knows exactly what belongs here. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. Your new subaccount will now appear under its parent in the chart of accounts, and transactions assigned to it will summarize neatly in your reports. Subaccounts are a powerful way to organize your finances by grouping related accounts under one main account, giving you both granular detail and big picture clarity. That's how to set up subaccounts in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.